Yugayatam Nimeshena. Sound familiar? So there's many verses that talk about Nimeshena. When you read Ujjvala Nilamani by Rupa Goswami Pad, he's discussing the 6 symptoms. There's different levels of Mahabhav. One is Ruda Mahabhav, then Adi Ruta. So there's 6 symptoms of Ruta, and also the other one. So one of them is Nimeshena Arda. Nimesha Arda Viraha. The gopis cannot stand half the time it takes to blink the eye. Nimesha Arda Viraha. Separation. They can't stand to be separated from Krishna. The gopis cannot stand to be separated from Krishna for even half a blink of an eye. And in one verse in the Menogit, the acharyas are saying that it's more than that, because that you can measure that. But there's a measurement in Vedic astronomy. They cut the time factor into very minute portions, not just hours and minutes and seconds. It goes into muhurtas and dandas, then it goes to something called truti, T-R-U-T-I, truti. Truti is 1/1700th of a second. There's 1 and then a slash, and underneath that slash is 1,000,700. That means 1,000, one measurement of 1 per 1,700 of a second. Cutting a second, you take a second time and cut it into 1,700 parts. It says in the Venagita Tika, they could not bear that much separation from seeing Krishna. Because the eyes, they blink like once every 60 times a minute or something like that. We don't notice it, but it's going on every second or whatever, or 45. It's quite, but 1/1700. So this is desperation.